Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to back up and restore in Cisco Wi-Fi router. Let's go start. First, connect your mobile or computer to the router. Open a web browser. Type the IP default address of the router. Then press enter. Then log into the menu option with the administrator ID and password. Click on Administrator on the left side. Then click on Backup and Restore Settings. Then click on Select the option and Download click. Again, select Save File and click on OK. Download completed. Then click on Restore Factory Defaults click. To reboot the system and return to factory default settings, check Default button. Reconnect the router and log in by default ID and password. Then click on Cancel. Again, go the same method. Click on Administrator. Then click Backup and Restore Settings. On the right side, select Configuration File Upload and choose the Startup option, since our download file is a startup configuration file. Click on Yes. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon click and see your next updated video.